shot.
First thing you do to hit a chip shot is to put your weight on your left foot and then you lean the club forward so the leading edge stays down, because you don't want to hit it with your leading edge going up or exposed. Okay, weight on the left, lead. Go, go, get in! Ooh, so close. Okay, that's how you hit a chip shot. Let's go! Okay guys, update. 16 hole. We're 10 under total. 3 back of our target. And we have to finish strong. That's me, by the way. We gotta make birdie and eagle to finish 59. Let's go! Go! Oh, get in! Get in! Albatross, guys. Hey guys, last hole of the day. Very short par 5, around 360. Let's make an albatross. We've got 54 meters to the hole. Let's make this. Oh, be right. Okay guys, I finished the day with 60, 12 under par. Didn't quite make the target, but at least I know something that I can work on to play better. That's a wrap for today. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.